Okay, I'm going to show you how to use breadcrumbs on your WordPress blog in case you don't have it. If you read the post above this video, I talk about the importance of breadcrumbs and how it can really help your SEO. Some of you have breadcrumbs already built into your theme. Like I'm looking at my friend Terry Polar's blog here, and you can see home, then we're in the Greater Coral Springs area, and then we're on the Kensington page. So some of you already have breadcrumbs, but for those of you that don't have breadcrumbs in your site, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add them. Okay, so we're going to go to plugins and we're going to say add new. Now truly the easiest way to add breadcrumbs is to find a plugin that'll just do it for you somehow automatically. And there's a bunch of those, like Yoast and Breadcrumbs Everywhere and blah blah blah, but I've had trouble with a lot of them. This one I never have trouble with. It's called Breadcrumb Nav XT, and the reason I never have trouble with it is because it makes you do something manual. So but it's real simple. So I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to click install now. Activate the plugin. Okay, now I want to go over and show you a post real quick. I've got this post here. New home listing, Miami Beach condo. It's not really post about Miami condos, as you can see. It's just some blank stuff here. Okay, now I posted that. Well, let's take a look at categories too. You got to have a sense of categories to understand breadcrumbs. You should really organize the categories on your blog into parent and child categories. So for example, just as a quick example, I have Broward County as a category. And if you only have one category on your blog and the rest of them are all parent or child categories, great, you're probably doing everything fine. Now, I'm not sure if Miami is even in Broward County, but so if I were a realtor in Broward County, I would, for example, have just one category, Broward County, and then underneath that, I think I would have, Coral Springs, Miami, and then I can even go further and put categories as subcategories of my subcategories. So I guess that you'd call these grandchildren categories. But so under Broward County, I have Coral Springs, Miami, and just for the heck of it, schools. And then I have homes for sale in Miami, and then I could add a homes for sale under Coral Springs too. But very few people organize their categories like this. But if you organize your categories correctly and nest them correctly, and you use the breadcrumbs, that's going to help your SEO a lot. So, plugin is activated. I installed Breadcrumb Nav XT. Now, what you need to do is you have to visit the plugin site. So after you install it, you visit the plugin site. Then it's going to tell you that you need this code. Scroll to the bottom of the page and get the code. If you accidentally, try not to highlight the numbers, but if you highlight the numbers, take them out when you paste it. But try not to highlight the numbers. So let's go back. And now what we're going to do is we took that code from their page. Did I copy it? I don't think I did. Okay, so we took that code. Now we're going to go to Appearance, Editor. Someplace you should probably never go, but as long as you follow these instructions, you can see this is the code for the theme. We're going to go into the header, look for a file called header.php, and click on that. Now, go all the way to the bottom of that code. Make sure that you are at the bottom. And in the bottom, just paste that little piece of code that we just got from the plugins website. Now we're going to hit Update File. Okay, so I'm going to go to Posts again, and let's look at this post I wrote, the Miami Beach condo. actually. Let's view post. And you can see that it is, the breadcrumbs are installed. And if you want to go back to just homes for sale category, you'll see you know, everything in homes for sale. If you went to the Miami category, you'd see everything in Miami, which of course, as there's only one post. But it's a way of organizing your stuff. Google loves it. And if you notice, you've got up here, you know, Broward County, Miami. Let's see what happens if we, and here we've got category, Broward County, Miami, homes for sale. So you get all those keywords. This is especially great if you have a domain like, you know, your name, like michaelgeorge.com. Now, what about this category thing? Let's go to our dashboards. Let's go to settings, permalink. And this just says it's optional. Category base. What would be a good category base? How about real estate? Save changes. Now let's go do this again. Click on it. And now you can see I replaced the word category with real estate. So now we have real estate, Broward County, Miami, homes for sale. And we've got, on top of it, we've got this beautiful breadcrumb trail that we just added. This will help you, I promise. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.